Hello guys, good morning. Kamusta kayo? Guys, meron tayong ulit ayusin ngayon. Epson L3250. So guys, ito yung itsura niya. So yung light niya guys, yung power button, so naka-steady lang yung kanyang light. Tapos yung dalawang light dito sa stop button ay nagbi-blink. So Epson L32 ano to guys, L3250. So ayan. So ganyan yung kanyang light nagbi-blink. Tingnan natin sa status monitor guys. Service required. A printer pad at the end of service life. Please contact Epson support. Okay. So pag ganito guys, kailangan natin gumamit ng adjustment program. So meron tayong adjustment program. So select natin guys L3250, tapos dito sa USB port. Okay, pasok tayo sa particular adjustment mode and then wasting pad counter. Ayan. Check natin guys. Ayan, lumabas na. So check natin yung name, platen, tapos ink system pad counter, then initialize. Okay. Okay, turn off natin tong printer. Turn on. So, close na natin to guys. Ito tayo, test print tayo kung okay na. Tingnan natin guys kung wala na yung blink ng light niya guys. Ayun, mukhang wala na. Hindi na nagbi-blink oh. Ayan. So test print tayo. Print. Ayun, okay na. Bye guys.